Welcome to Dualit Barista School. I'm Pauline and I'm going to show you how to program each function of your Espressivo Pro coffee machine. It is possible to adjust the pre-brew volume and time, the extraction temperature and volume for both the single espresso and double espresso functions. You can also change the grind time. Please remember, when changing the presets, you must cycle through all stages, even if you only wish to change one. To return to the default factory settings, press and hold the grind button, espresso button and manual button at the same time until the appliance beeps once and the buttons flash 3 times. We can program our Espressivo Pro machine to personalise it. If you press the double espresso button until it beeps, now this is the temperature of the water that extracts into your coffee, and to change that temperature we use a single espresso button and press that to take it down, and it ranges from 88 degrees up to 96 degrees. To take that back up, use a double espresso button and keep taking that up and we'll take that right back to 96. To set it, we press M. Now we go down to the front here, and the 22 is the amount of water that pre-infuses into your coffee before it brews. We can also take this down, so using the single espresso button, taking it down, and using the double espresso button to take it back up. To set that, we press M. Then it moves along to the pre-infusion time, and that's in 5 seconds. So take that down, second at a time. We use a single espresso button. To take it back up, we use a double espresso button. And to set that, we press M. And now we go along to the milliliters. So that's the amount of water that goes into your double espresso. And here it's 72 milliliters. We can take that down to 70 using the single espresso, or we can take it back up using the double espresso button. To set, we press M. Another great feature of this machine is you can change the grind time. Now you just press in the bean button until it beeps, and you take the grind time down by using the single espresso button and pressing that, or you can take the grind time up by using the double espresso time, and that's set at 14 seconds. So set it, press the M, and you're set. You can come back and change your presets in your Espressivo Pro whenever you'd like. Want to know more about using your coffee machine, cleaning and more? Watch the rest of our Barista School videos to become a Barista Pro.